Let's say what is the Newton School. Newton School is a platform which prepare you for career in tech. It has a many courses designed for freshers and workers, professionals, and also for a woman who is no tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and help you to become an amazing stack developer. It also has a network of more than 300 great companies who hire from Newton School. So once the training is completed, Newton Schools ensure that its students are placed with some of the best companies in the country. And the best part of this, Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you do not have to pay Newton School anything until and unless you have placed with a minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's have a look at Newton School Launchpad. Launchpad is an institute taken by Newton School for people who want to start coding from scratch and learn the basics different programming languages for absolutely free of cost. The video will be available in the Launchpad sections of the Newton School. There you can participate several quiz and assignment related to this course.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to see how to use the Bootstrap 5 and create the website. Bootstrap 5 will help you to build the website very faster. Let's see how to use the Bootstrap 5 and make the website faster. This is the Bootstrap website. You can come here and you can see this. You have two options to use it. You can use it CND link, or also you can download it on your system and use it. So if you want to use it, we will tell you how to use it. When you click here, you can simply get the starting template. I will let show you how it's I just copy this template and let paste it here. Like you can see this over the hello world written in heading tag is appear over here. If you want to create the new bar, it's too easy to create it because already all create code is written in it. Simply click on the search doc and search your name. You can see your new bar is come. Simply click here and you can see this. If you want to use this type of new bar, you have to copy this code. You will get multiple option to add it. You can also add the image like this new bar, and you can also change the color. In here you can see that. Let me firstly show you the simple header. So let me cut this heading and paste this code. Now you can see this new bar is come and it is responsible, as you see. Like you can see that if we like, it is also responsible. And if you want to change the color of it, you can simply go down on Bootstrap website and you can see this. If you want to use this, like you can see this, after putting it, the color of the new bar is changed. You can also add the black color and another one also. But let me add the that previous light color is looking good, I think so. You can add any color that you want. And let's add the, I just search your work carousel in the search button and this come. You can use the single side only with controller like this also, and you will get this third option with the indicator as well. In the bottom, the first slide, second slide, like you can have option to add the text on your slides. You can add the different text on every side. Let we use this one. So now we will paste the copy code inside your file. Let's, here is your new origin. Let's paste it over here. Like you can see this come, but we are not at the image link. That's why it's showing like that. Wait a minute, I will add the link and get back to you. So you can see that I just added the link of the image, and also I added the alt tag so I can understand if the image is not from the which image is not coming. So you can make it full screen, like you can see this also come. So let's add the another component. So let me tell you this some little give the little bit idea about the grid system of Bootstrap. In the Bootstrap, basically there are 12 column in a single layer. If you want, like see there, if you want two column, you have to add the column and one by two. Let me show you using the example. I pasted a code here. If you see the column 12, the column 12 means uh, the column breakpoint is 576 pixel. Like I make the column 12, so like you can see this, it will grab the whole space, the space of 12 column. It will grab the whole space, and if I take it to the column sm, I make 6, so that means the above will takes the above and below will takes the equal part, like say that they both take the equal part in this. You can see this. So how this grid system will work? If you want to read it more and no more, you can read the whole documentation on the Bootstrap website. So we will. So now let me show you how you can add the from in Bootstrap. First of all, we will cut this carousel. You can, if you want, you can place it, but I want to remove it and remove it. So here also you get the multiple options for from layout as well, like this from grid, like this one, and this also, and this horizontal from as well. So let me show you this one, the big from. So you have to simply copy paste this thing over here. So now you can say this from is open. So basically we not add the spacing or anything, that's why it's look like, but that's why it's not looking good. So you can here simply paste the address, email and password, also the city and the status. If you want to add the table in the Bootstrap, you can simply come here in content section. There is a tables. You can here simply with this and paste, simply copy paste the table and edit as you want. Let me show you this table to you, how it's so. Let's paste that code, and like you can see this how this looking. If you want to make some edit, you can make some edit over here, like let me change the name coding. You can see this changes appear. This this bootstrap will save you too much time if you directly use this thing like copy paste things. In Bootstrap, you get multiple option layout, grid, columns, customization option. You also get like you can also customize the colors, add the forms, content, components. In component, you get a lot more options like alerts. In alerts, you can see this type of alerts like colorful show me live alert like this one. If you click on it, this will open, and also you get multiple options like cards. You can see this card. If you want to use this insulin, as I told before, you have to simply copy paste this and paste in your code, and this will, and as per your requirement you can edit the text and image of this as well. And as I told before, here are many carousel option. You can use any carousel that you want in your project. Here is a drop down options are given here. You can use it in your navigation bar. Also the list group, you can see the list group is open, active one. Like also the module like this one, save and this cancel like this module. And here you will also get the launch demo module, and this pop-up will open like this type of pop-up we build before. If you do we miss that video, make sure you watch that. If you want to use this, you can simply copy paste this like this. Also you will get multiple type of option over here like this one, like this center one. Also the placeholders like this. Spinners are also over here. You can see the border spinner and the spinner with color as well, and the glowing spinner mark here. They here your margin to the spinner placement like loading, and this one can also get the loading in button as well.